Hello, children. Today I am going to tell you a fairy tale. So, children, do you know what is a fairy tale? A fairy tale is a short, sweet, imaginary story that has a character such as fairies, elves, giants, and mermaids. Fairy tales are important because they teach us a lesson and the story has a happy ending. Some famous fairy tales you may know are Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, Little Mermaid, Aladdin, and so on. So, children, today I am going to tell you a fairy tale named Sunflower. Do you know what is a sunflower and what does it look like? Yes, children. Sunflower is a big, bright, yellow color flower with lots of petals. It is always seen facing the sun. It also looks like a sun, isn't it, children? And the seeds of the sunflower are crushed to make oil, which we use for our cooking. So, children, let me tell you the story named Sunflower. Clytie was a sea nymph. So, who was Clytie? Clytie was a beautiful sea nymph. So, what is a sea nymph, children? Sea nymph is a female spirit or a fairy of sea water. She wore a beautiful green gown woven of seaweed. So what Clytie was wearing? She was wearing a long dress, green color long dress, and it was stitched with plants growing in the sea. Seaweeds means plants growing in the sea. So plants are under the water. There are plants that are called seaweeds. Her long golden hair floated about her at the bottom of the sea. She had gorgeous yellow curls and it was touching the bottom of the sea because it was very long golden color and it was touching the bottom of the sea. And as you can see, all the sea animals like fish, crabs, seahorse, all the sea animals loved Clytie because she was warm and friendly with everyone. One day, a mermaid sang her a song. It was about a golden light above the water. So one sunny morning when Clytie woke up, she heard a mermaid singing a melodious song to her about a golden light. And Clytie was very eager to know what is the golden light. And she asked the mermaid, a golden light? Yes, it's the most radiant light and it spreads its warmth across the whole world. Clytie wanted to see this light. So Clytie was very eager and wanted to see what is this light. She swam to the surface and climbed onto the shore. So what did Clytie do? Clytie, she swam and climbed up and peeped out of the water and she saw that the what is this golden yellow light? She saw the golden light described in the song. So when she peeped out from the water, above the water, so she could see the golden light as the mermaid had described in the song. And what happened next? What is this golden light? It was the sun. She stood happily looking at it all day. So, what was the big golden light as described in the story in the song? It was the sun. And Clytie was very happy and she stood happily looking at the gazing sun all the day, and she did not want to go back home under the water. At last she turned to the water and saw herself in it. What did she see after some times? After some times, she looked at the water and saw herself in it, and as the time passed, what had happened? Her golden hair had become yellow petals. What happened? Her golden hair slowly changed to bright yellow petals. Her green gown had become leaves. Her green gown turned into green leaves. Children, as you know, leaves are green in color. So Clytie was wearing green gown. So it turned into green leaves. Her tiny feet had become roots, and her tiny small feet changed into roots. So roots, what are roots? Roots are under the ground. Yes or no? Roots hold the plant tightly. So and it grows under the ground. So Clytie's legs, its feet turned into roots. She became a sunflower. So what did Clytie become at last? She had turned into a sunflower, a small image of the sun she loved. So Clytie, all the day she used to look at the sun. So she turned into a sunflower as she loved the sun. So she turned, her face turned into a sunflower. To this day, the sunflowers gaze upon the sun as it travels across the sky. So Clytie had become a sunflower now. From this day onwards, the sunflowers always gaze or they look at the sun high up in the sky and receives its golden warmth. That is why they turn on their stems all through the day. So the stems are straight and they stand straight and they face towards the sun.